As you close your eyes and prepare to rest, your journey into abundance begins. This is not just another night of sleep, it's a night of transformation. Tonight, you are entering the vibration of wealth, peace, and infinite prosperity. Every breath you take pulls in success. Every exhale releases limitation. You are safe. You are supported. You are ready to rest rich. Your body relaxes, your thoughts slow, and your energy begins to align with abundance. The world around you fades, and your inner world awakens to possibility. Money, opportunity, and prosperity flow toward you with ease. You are a magnet for financial freedom, and tonight, your subconscious begins to manifest it. As you drift deeper, your inner voice whispers, "I am wealthy. I am abundant. I am deserving." Let these words become your truth. Let this sleep become your shift. You are resting rich, and tomorrow, you'll rise into a new reality. Segment 1. Release and recalibration, letting go of financial resistance. I release every fear I've ever had about money. I release the belief that wealth is hard to achieve. I let go of the scarcity I inherited from others. I forgive myself for every mistake, every missed opportunity, every moment of doubt. I now understand that everything that happened led me to this moment, the moment I align with abundance. Money is not a struggle, it is a flow. I no longer block it with worry, stress, or guilt. I am open, relaxed, and ready to receive. Every breath I take resets my energy to the frequency of abundance. I release the old story that said I have to work harder to deserve more. I release every limitation that told me I'm not enough. I am enough. I have always been enough. I am worthy of wealth, simply by being me. The more I relax, the more abundance flows. The more I trust, the more opportunities unfold. The struggle is over. The flow has begun. I rest knowing that everything I desire is already on its way to me. Segment 2. Reprogramming wealth consciousness, becoming the abundance you seek. I now choose thoughts that empower my financial reality. I am the creator of my wealth. I am the architect of my abundance. Money flows to me easily and consistently. Every night I sleep, my subconscious mind multiplies my prosperity. I attract opportunities that elevate my income and my confidence. I am deeply connected to the energy of success. I think like a millionaire, calm, clear, and creative. I am open to new ideas, partnerships, and opportunities that expand my wealth. I am a vessel for abundance to flow through effortlessly. My energy is magnetic, radiant, and abundant. I naturally attract financial freedom because I vibrate at its frequency. I am aligned with prosperity, purpose, and peace. My dreams are valuable, my ideas are powerful, and my actions create success. I am surrounded by infinite opportunities to grow and prosper. Money loves me because I respect it, appreciate it, and use it wisely. I am free from the fear of losing money because I understand money flows endlessly, like the ocean tide. I am not chasing abundance, I am becoming it. I am the embodiment of wealth, success, and gratitude. Segment 3. Anchoring abundance. Living in overflow and gratitude. I am grateful for the abundance that surrounds me now. Gratitude multiplies my wealth. Every dollar I receive expands my energy of appreciation. I am thankful for the financial freedom flowing my way. My wealth grows as I sleep, silently, effortlessly, naturally. I am rich in peace, purpose, and prosperity. I am guided by divine timing. Everything unfolds perfectly for me. The universe supports my every desire and intention. I am open to miracles and unexpected blessings. I attract income through multiple, consistent, and joyful streams. I use my wealth to uplift others, to create beauty, and to build my legacy. Every night I rest, my vibration rises. Every morning I wake, my reality matches my belief in abundance. I am the source of wealth because I am connected to infinite supply. Money is my ally, my partner, my reflection of inner worth. I live in a state of endless receiving. I am already rich in love, rich in peace, and rich in purpose. And as I sleep, I rest in wealth, calm, confident, complete. Abundance is not coming, it's already here. As you drift deeper into rest, know that your subconscious is now aligned with prosperity. You are safe. You are abundant. You are wealthy beyond measure. Every breath brings you closer to financial freedom. You are the vibration of success itself. Tonight, you rest rich, confident, calm, and connected to limitless flow. Your dreams are painting the future you deserve, one of peace, wealth, and effortless abundance. Sleep deeply, knowing that everything you desire is already finding its way to you. Rest in gratitude, rest in certainty, rest in wealth. You are abundance in motion. You are prosperity personified. You are resting rich, and tomorrow, you rise renewed, empowered, and free.